Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the estimating for multifamily housing. This includes apartments, hotels, townhouses. We're going to introduce a spreadsheet function called SumProduct. Using this function, we can do all kinds of measurement. First thing to do is always the gross floor area measurement. In this Takeoff, we have 4-story building with underground parkade. Everything above the ground is wood framed and the parking structure is concrete. We did the area measurement and also perimeter for every floor plus the height from floor to floor. Now let's do the total summary. This is really simple, just to do an AutoSum and then you will get 73,000 square feet. We also need to break this down into parking area and also the total living space. So let's just type equal and a link to the parking area above. If we look at the difference of 73,000 and 20,000, and if we have to make a guess, living air space should be 53,000. Let's double check, do another AutoSum, this time drag on the 4 levels for the floor, and then let's see what we have. The second thing we noticed is every floor level will have different kinds of apartment units. For example, we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, or 2 bedroom could be 1 bath or 2 bathroom. In the drawing, we also use the alphabet to designate different types of apartment units. For example, there's unit A, there's B, there's also C. Therefore, what we did is to go through every sheet of drawing and then just count how many types of units on each floor. Also, I think anything that's blank should be 0. Uh, Now we can do a summary by floor level to see how many units we have. We can also do a summary vertically to see how many different types of units we have. This is just done by AutoSum, so really just a review. We can use the auto filler to do the automatic formula copy and paste. Now to get the total number of apartment units in the building, you can just adding up ABC. You get 49 units, or you can do the AutoSum by floor 1, 2, 3, 4. You should also have 49. To introduce the idea, it's easy for us to look at a simple example. In this case, we're trying to figure out how many bathrooms we need for the whole building. Apparently, in Unit A, we only have 1, B have 1, and C has 2, because it's 2 bed, 2 baths. Now, apparently, we can take the number of units, multiply by the number of bathrooms in each unit. The formula will be just to take line 3 and then times line 4. Copy this formula over for B and C. At the bottom, all we have to do is just add up those 3 total numbers. So we will have 62 bathrooms. Now let's try to do this in a short way. If I put the number of bathrooms per each unit, is it possible for me to get 62 bathrooms with one simple calculation? This is where we're going to learn the new function, type equal. The function name is called SumProduct. And then what we do is to take 3 numbers we have, which stands for the number of units, and then multiply the number of bathrooms in each unit. Now hit enter, you should also get 62 units. Now, this function is really important for us to know. The reason is now you don't have to deal with the whole floor plan for every floor if your quantity is related to certain number of units. Instead, you could just look at a detailed plan covering each type of unit to get your quantity. And eventually, your new quantity can be calculated by using our new function. It's called SumProduct. I think I'm going to stop here for now before we move on to the next type of calculation using the same function. We will see you next time. Thank you.